Good afternoon, friends. We're going to continue our work today with the long vowel silent E complex syllable. Our objective today is to learn to read, write, and spell multisyllabic words with that long vowel silent E syllable. So let's review the rules of a vowel consonant silent E syllable. Turn and talk to someone sitting near you. What are the two things that a vowel consonant silent E syllable follows? Two rules. All right, today when we read in the grid, we're going to read with a partner. So if I was partner A and the person sitting next to me is partner B, I would read the word drag line. My partner would then read shin bone, and we would read all the way to the bottom. So right now, establish who is your partner and which one is partner A. Then read through the chart 2 times. Partner A going first the first time, and on the second read, partner B will go first. All right, we're going to build some multisyllabic words. We're going to do that by cutting out the boxes on the bottom of page 54. On 54, you will see the word parts drag, drum, frog, slip, trum, bone, like, line, case. You will cut out those word parts on the bottom of 54 and you will put them together on page 56. When Mr. Muma sees that you have them in correctly and they make the correct words, then you'll go back and glue them in.
Oh, hi.
On page 56, we are going to continue by writing a multisyllabic word sentence. So the sentence is, the end zone was on a hillside. The end zone was on a hillside. The end zone was on a hillside. If you need that repeated, please ask Mr. Muma to repeat that for you. And finally today we are going to read a passage called Blazing Sunshine, or Blazing Sunrise. I apologize. Blazing Sunrise. You can find that on page 57. All right, so for today's reading, we're going to read with a partner. Partner A will read the passage first. Partner B will listen. Then partner B will read the passage while partner A listens. Thank you.